A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe. Mamukase. I am back, Team Zimbabwe. Ne program ya nasi iri kunzi Mnangagwa huchi. So we are taking a look kuti huchi zvechokwadi here kana kuti igonde konde, because munhu kana ari huchi hunozikanwa nekutapira, but kana chichivava chinenge chichinzi chimukonde konde, ani muruzvona. So we need to answer this question, Team Zimbabwe. Mnangagwa huchi zvechokwadi here, vanhu vachiora. This is Queen Batonga, and this is marvelous. She said, it's said 1 in 3 people with albinism in Zimbabwe is dying before the age of 40. Skin cancer is affecting children as young as 8. Many don't cross the 2-year period fighting skin cancer. Lack of resources and knowledge in satellite clinics is making early management impossible. So for a government inofunga chaizvo guys, ndambotaura chokwadi, dai vaMnangagwa huri huchi, tingadai takaona appointment of people with disabilities, tingadai takaona one of people vanorarama nealbinism vachielectwa as a senator, so that they get into parliament and they push from parliament the reforms in the health sector, which specifically target vanhu vari kurarama nealbinism. I believe kuti this lady anonzi Queen of Batonga is one of the people who would have made the best candidates to push for issues within parliament, so that the government is appraised on what is happening. Or moreover, you are supposed to appoint a ministry which is specifically, number one, deals with disability, or he was going to join it with the Ministry of Women. So you are going to say Ministry of Women and Disability and appoint munhu akaita sati Mave to say, Mave, you are somebody who is passionate about ending issues with disabilities, especially for the people living with albinism. Can you come and have your input within this government? But alas, that didn't happen. We see people who are clueless about the issues which need to be addressed, vachipiwa zvigaro, vachitwa maseneta, vachidi. But the question is, what criteria is this government using? Okay, apart from the appointments or in important positions of power, what is the government doing to make sure that they deal with the people with albinism? Unoziva kuti government can easily bring skin cancer, anonzi lotions ayaya evanhu vari kurarama nealbinism. You can make them available. You can, because there's a census report yevanhu vacho vanotozikanwa. Just make a register, make sure that you supply them each and every time, and you bring those sunscreen lotions to them. So these pictures are not appealing, Team Zimbabwe. Kana wakamatarisa guys, this is someone anenge achirarama in a country where we have leadership, we have MPs, we have ministers. Tinotori navanhu vanotomuka mumakuseni vachitoti ndiri kuenda kubasa, ndini minister of health, tiri kutoenda kubasa, ndini minister of youth, tiri kutoenda kubasa, ndini minister of women. But vanhu vachiora seizvizvi guys, honestly speaking, zvinondirwadza. Unoziva kuti each and every time I visit page raMave rinondirwadza, because there are stories after stories, real stories guys, dzisiri dzemubikirwa. Story yekuti izvezvi tiri kuchallenge any government official to go kuna Mave. You can call Mave right away to say, Mave, vanhu vako vari kupi tivaone. It's something which can be done, and the government can actually ascertain the numbers of people who are struggling and incapacitate Mnagata Samave. If they can capacitate Mbava for ED, Mawindi for ED, Maure for ED, why are they not capacitating Albinism Connect, which is dealing with cancer? Albinism. Why are they not providing it as a service to the whole country to say, can we have people who deal with this disease? Cancer is dangerous. I say so because I have lived with somebody who had cancer and I experienced it all. So for those who experienced the pain, the trauma faced by the people living in with cancer, you understand guys kuti varume ava vatinava ava vanozviti huchi hwechikonde konde, hauzi huchi huya hwatinoziva hunotapira, huchi hwechikonde konde. Vana muchama handi muri kuzviona, every time yavari kufunga ndeyekugaya kuti ndovaita sei kuti varwadziwe. It's wrong. Every time somebody raises a voice, watiwo mhandu, watiwo muvengi. Izvezvizvi ukatarisa how they respond to mave, honestly speaking, Team Zimbabwe, it's shocking. Zvinotoita zvokuti ndiye akaita kuti zvinhu zvacho zvidero. Zvikanzi medication and relevant care should be provided for people with albinism. Yes, for mahala Team Zimbabwe, munhu wese ari kurarama nealbinism aifanira kunge achiwana care. Number one, sunscreen lotions. Number two, sunhat. Each and every time achitoita make sure kuti vanazvo vaifanira kunge vachiwana the best out of the best Team Zimbabwe. And also education. Unozwa kuti zvinonetsa kuti inini personally, you have never lived with somebody with albinism and it's your first time maybe at school to have somebody with albinism. The way they are treated, guys, is wrong. You understand that our government is not doing enough to make sure that they feel at home, they feel welcomed within the society. Exactly. Skincare products for PWA are a human right, which the government of Zimbabwe must not only guarantee, but ensure that the products are available at clinic level all the time. But what we have so far is policies only, no practical solutions on the ground. So they don't care because havana pain yacho vanava. So paida munhu ane pain yacho anoziva kuti zvinhu zvakanakirei aripo paground achirepresenta these constituents. So I believe kuti even patakaita maelections edu pavakaita constitution yavo vachitamba nayo paya, vangadai vakatsvaga vanhu vanongonzi right, ava vanhu ava, they will not go through an election. They will, from everyone else, they will be elected by their fellows vari kurarama neurema. I think kuti ndo zvinhu zvaifanira kuti zvaitiitira nani kuti toti right, community yese iri kurarama neurema, register yapa moselectorwa every province, moselecta 10 vanhu venyu vanopinda muparliament, and one of them will be made a minister achikumirirai. I believe kuti izvozvo zvaitibatsira kuti tinyatsoziva kuti we are covered, tinyatsoziva kuti tine vanhu vari kupusha that policy within parliament and outside. And also vanhu ivava vopiwa ministerial jobs, vopiwawo zvigaro so that they make decisions on their behalf. Izvi zvatiri kuona izvi zvinenge zvichingoitwa zvekungotaurwa pazita Team Zimbabwe zvinorwadza. Zvikanzi Queen, I would like to ask, how much does sunscreen cost? Apart from sunscreen, what else is needed to reduce the chances of skin cancer in people with albinism? Please, can I have this information? Tuane Pekutangira as donors, educate us. Okay, so the skincare for a person with albinism in Zimbabwe is standing at $45 to $60 a month, because one needs 400 ml sunscreen lotion, race topper, a lip balm, aqueous cream, after sun lotion, then also protective clothing. So this is around $45 to $60 a month. Yaifanira kunge ichingotoprovidwa kuti munhu wese ari kurarama nealbinism. Zvaifanira kunge zvichingoitika kuti kulocal clinic yako unongoenda every month uchikunocollecta zvinhu izvozvozvo. Zvaitiitira nani, guys. Taingoziva kuti clinic yekwakati yekwabvukururu ine munhu 1 kana kuti ine vanhu 2 or 3 vari kurarama nealbinism. Voenda vonotora zvinhu zvavo ikoko. It was so easier, but huchi varumeka, huchi should be accessed for free. In a normal democracy, there should be very strict measures to curb the losses, but ours is a case. We keep losing relatives while the government is busy doing nothing. Yes, and there should be a deliberate programming by Ministry of Health to educate screen of skin cancer, as well as capacitating clinic health personnel with basic knowledge on how to identify cancers in their initial stage at clinic level. Yes, all those things like azviitwa aende kunotungamirira vamagresere ndozvo zviri kuitika. Somebody with experience in this field was supposed to be leading zvinhu izvi. Not the problem. Ukatarisa vanhu vari kutungamirira zvinhu izvi havana problem yacho, saka they don't care. So Team Zimbabwe, I don't know, guys, huchi uyu kawe vanhu vari kuora huchi huripo, zvinhu ndozvo zvinorwadza, guys. Handizivi, but we need to act.